Selling NFTs on a trust wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet app. Use your Face ID to unblock the app. After getting into the Trust app, click on the browser icon from the bottom bar, then search Harry Open. Now click the Open Dimension X and if T and Harry tap on its NFT, then tap on the like icon from the top right corner. It shows you different types of wallet available here. After that, scroll down, you can see two different options. One is buy now and the other is make offer. So tap to make an offer now. If you have a wallet, you can create a provider and create one now, then tap on buy now, which will show you the same. Tell me about the wallets. You can see the price history, offers and descriptions here.